Hello my dear friends, in this session we are going to be solve a problem over designation of refrigerant, and this is your problem number 3rd. Okay, so what is an azeotrope? Azeotrope is nothing but what? Mixture of two or more refrigerant. Okay, now mixture of two or more refrigerant. So in this option number C is your correct option. Here, a mixture of refrigerant without phase separation. So, in this question, you refer your option number C is your correct option. And this question is asked in 2008. Okay, na? And these question level are very easy level. Okay, na? Very easy level. So, my dear friends, इस लेवल के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. अगर आप इन लेक्चर्स को स्टडी किए हो, पढ़े हो, तो ये सब सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए बहुत आसान होने वाले हैं. Okay, my dear friends. So in next lecture we're gonna be study over a cascade system. What is the meaning of cascade system and why it gonna be used? Okay. So for this session, thank you so much.